Next, RC stands for remote control. It is used to perform functional testings on web browser applications. It is used to perform functional testings on web browser applications. Next, everyone. Third one, WebDriver. WebDriver also same. WebDriver also same. Use it to perform functional testings on web browser, functional testings, but it is more advanced, everyone, functional testings, but it is more advanced and powerful than RC. Got it, no point? WebDriver also same, but it is most powerful. It is most powerful and advanced than RC. Let me write 1 minute. It is most powerful and advanced than RC. Yes, it is most powerful and advanced than RC. And grid. 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 It is used to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Everyone, it is used to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Cross-browser and cross-platform testing. I'll explain, guys. Cool. ID purpose what? Just recording and playback on web browser application. RC purpose what? We are the functional testing engineers. It is used to perform functional testings on web browser applications. Next, WebDriver. It is also same used to perform functional testing, but it is more advanced. It is more advanced. Yes, it is more advanced and powerful than everyone. It is more advanced and powerful than yes, it is more advanced and powerful than RC. And RC is a server. RC is a server in between the user and browser. But WebDriver is not server. Yes, WebDriver is not server. Directly without server, we can perform operations on web browser applications. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Yes. And grid used to perform cross-browser, cross-platform, nothing but at a time, multiple operating systems, and multiple platforms be able to automate at a time multiple operating systems and multiple operating systems and multiple platforms we can check. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Cross browser and cross platform testing. Okay, I hope you clear, guys. Once again, ID purpose what? Recording and playback. RC, functional testings. WebDriver also functional testing, but it is most powerful and advanced than RC. Grid purpose what? Cross browser, cross platform testing. Everyone, in our class, every component we can learn. Yes, in our class, every component we can learn. But live project we can implement with WebDriver. Okay, let me start today. Very first component as IDE. So let me write Selenium IDE. Everyone, Selenium, it has 4 components. Today we started first component, but real time it is very less usage, but also you have to learn, right? Yes, even live project we can implement with Selenium WebDriver. So let me explain first of all IDE, guys. First of all, IDE features. IDE features. What are the IDE features? First of all, IDE stands for integrated development environment. Yes, which is developed by Shinya Castani. And it is not any tool. Just it's a plugin. It's what? Yes, plugin into it's a plugin into browsers. What are the browsers? Firefox, Chrome, like that, everyone. Chrome and Firefox and Edge also supporting. It is not any tool, plugin. How plugin? I will show, guys. I'll show how to download, how to install that. Once again, today we started IDE, very first component of Selenium. IDE stands for integrated development environment, which is developed by Shania Castani. And it is not any tool, guys. It is a plugin into, yes, it is a plugin into Firefox browser and Chrome browsers. And guys, the main purpose of this, use it to perform recording and playback. Use it to perform what? Recording and playback on web browser applications. Web browser applications. Understand my point? Use it to perform recording and playback on web browser applications. You know, while performing recording and playback, everyone, while performing recording and playback, I mean, login operation, registration operation, something operations we can record. While recording, default, it will record as a, everyone, while recording, record as a, I mean, HTML script, look like command format. But this one, later we can convert to other languages. We can convert to other languages also. What are the other languages? Java, JavaScript, Python, C Sharp, something we can converting into other languages. Once again, guys, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is developed by Shinya Castani. And it is not any tool, guys, just it is a plugin into, it is a what? Yes, plugin into like Firefox and Chrome browser. It is used to perform, recording and playback on web browser applications. So, while performing recording and playback, default it will be recorded as a command format or HTML format. But later we can converting into other languages, Java, JavaScript, Python, C Sharp. Today, let me show, guys, the sample with IDE, how IDE will be work. Okay. First of all, let me show, guys, how to download and install, Selenium IDE. Everyone, how to download and install Selenium IDE. Let me explain, guys. Open browser. Open browser. Let me go to Selenium official page. What is that? If you want to download Selenium related anything, we can go to seleniumhq.org. Seleniumhq.org. Yes, seleniumhq.org. Let's open this page. Let's open this page. And everyone here, go to downloads or yes, or directly here you can start to click on Selenium ID or directly you can go to the downloads. Then if you scroll down, you can find out the heading as Selenium IDE. Under that, see guys, I told you now, it's supporting only 3 browsers. Are able to see here links such as Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. So which browser you are using, depending on that, you have to click on the link. Once again, let me show from starting onwards. seleniumhq.org. Everyone, seleniumhq.org. So enter seleniumhq.org. Go to downloads. Go to downloads. Under downloads, if you scroll down, you can find out the heading as Selenium IDE. Under, see guys, 3 links. Now I am using the Chrome. So just click on the Chrome link. Just click on the Chrome link. It will be navigate to next page. 1 minute. Then right side, are you able to see guys, add to Chrome option? Right side, I hope you're able to see add to Chrome option. You have to click on that. Add to Chrome option. Just you have to click on that. Click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Click on add extension. Then we can get one message as Selenium ID has been added to Chrome. Are you able to see? Right side, the Selenium ID has been added to Chrome. Then how to launch Selenium ID? Let me show that. Sometimes it will be not visible directly. If you go to the extensions, you can select that. It will be open. Okay, now you can find out in the top. Are you able to see guys? SE symbol. This is called Selenium ID. Everyone, ID installations are clear? Can I show once again? Please give me your answer in chat box. Depending on that, I'll continue. Installation are clear? Okay, I hope everyone is clear. Now, how to use? See, the right side of the browser, click on Selenium IDE. I mean, the right side of the browser, just click on that. Selenium IDE will be open. This is called Selenium IDE. So I hope you understood the point as it is not any tool. It is what? Plugin. It is plugin of browser. So once again, let's close. Let's close and open once again. How to open? After installation, the right side you can find out. In case right side, if you're not able to find out, go to extensions. Here you can select which extension you want to see that. Okay. And open Selenium IDE. When I open Selenium IDE, everyone, we have 4 options such as record a new test in a new project, and open an existing project, create a new project and close Selenium IDE. Now I want to use, first option, record a new test in a new project. Already new project if you created, to create new test case, we can use this. Understand my point? If already project is there, to create the new one, we can use record a new test in a new project. Next, already project once you created, now you want to open that, then we can use open an existing project. Then we can use what? Open an existing project. So if you don't have any project, if you don't have test cases, if you don't have any project, if you don't have test cases, if it is the first time you are launching Selenium IDE, then we can use option as create a new project. Create a new project. Next, if you want to close Selenium IDE, then we can use close Selenium IDE. So guys, once again, if you want to create new test case, then we can use the first option. If you want to open already created project, then we can use open an existing project. And if you want to create the new project, then we can choose third option. If you want to close Selenium IDE, then we can use last option as close Selenium IDE. Understand my point? So now it is the first time we are launching. It is the first time we are launching. So let's choose create a new project. Create a new project. I hope you understood guys up to here. Everyone. So let me select create a new project. Before that, let me take the project. I am taking the project as same Mercury. On this Mercury, I want to show the example. Okay, guys, on this Mercury. So let me give, what is my project name? Mercury Travels or Mercury Tours is my project. Anything you can write. Then automatically with the name of Mercury Tours, IDE will be open. First of all, here, how to prepare test cases? Everyone, are you able to see guys the right side add new test option? Are you able to see right side new test option? Yes. 1 minute guys. 1 minute please. Okay. Everyone. So how to create test cases? The right side, add new test option, enter test case name. Let me enter test case, a few test cases guys from my project. Verify URL one test case, verify holiday one test case, verify flights one test case, verify hotels one test case, right? Let me write here test case number 1, verify URL. Same like that, add test case number 2, verify holidays. Next, test case number 3, verify lights. And test case number 4, verify hotels. Understand my point? Click on add. And let me add one more test case as verify register. Are you able to see guys register? Yes. Test case number 4. Yeah, test case number 5. Verify register. Something guys. Click on add. I hope you understood guys how to create the project. What is the project name? Mercury Tours. How many cases I created? 5. We can create any number of test cases we can create. And the main feature, main functionality of Selenium IDE, what? Recording and playback. Remember that one? Main Selenium IDE, recording and playback. Yes, main Selenium IDE, what? Recording and playback. Let me show guys how to perform recording and playback. Example, register. Everyone, I'll show register test case, okay? I select test case. Right side of ID are able to see guys record button. The right side record button are able to see. First, do one thing. First of all, you can copy this project URL. Which project you want to record, that project URL you can take. Okay, only first time. So select test case. Any test case you can take, not only register, but as per application flow, without register, I can't test remaining now. That's what I take in the register. Click on record, which is visible in the right side of the IDE. Start recording. So very first time, the project URL we have to enter. Very first time, project URL we have to enter. Click on start recording. Click on what? Start recording. Then see guys, browser open, page navigated by IDE. Understand this one? Browser open, page navigated by IDE. Now in the bottom are able to see guys, Selenium IDE is recording one message. Are able to see in the bottom? Are able to see? Yes, the meaning it is under recording. Yes, under the recording, whatever the operations I'll perform, everything will be recording in IDE. Understand? If it is a recording mode, whatever the operations it will be performed, everything will be recording in Selenium IDE. Yes. So see, I'll go to everyone customer login page. Go to register. Click on this. Now it's open. It's open. I'll enter first name as anything. For example, online IT. Yeah. Last name as QA. Email ID. I'm entering my email ID here. ramkey.trainer@gmail.com. Enter the password. The same confirm password. And I'll enter my number here. Click on register. Something. But of course, it will register, it will not complete. Something is failed because I enter invalid data. But final operation is completed, right? Then go to IDE. See guys, right side if you scroll, go to IDE. If you scroll, everything recorded. See, first open, and after that I click on register link. I click on register link. Enter. See guys, my name as online Vidya. See, my first name, everything is recorded. Are you able to see? First of all, stop recording. Right side, where you start recording, same place, use it to stop recording. Use it to stop recording. Stop recording. Now, my test case name, verify register. Guys, test case are recorded now. We can save. I recorded, we can save. How? Go to save project on the right side. Save, go to save. In desktop, I want to save, for example, as Mercury Tours. Click on save. Understand this one? I saved na. One test case I saved. In future, I mean, I close IDE. After 1 day, after 1 week, even after 1 year, after 1 year also, if you open Selenium IDE, again Selenium IDE. Now already we have the project now. So which option we have to use? Open an existing project, because we have already project. Let's choose in my desktop. Let's choose as Mercury. Is my Mercury? This one. Click on open. See, all cases are came. Now which one you want to execute? Register. Select. See guys, all steps are there or not? Now if you want to run, are you able to see guys, the second option as the run current test case option. If you click, what are the operations recorded? Everything will be play now. Click on everyone. Everything will be play now. So let me show guys. Click on the run. See guys, open the browser. Observe guys, this is playback. Open the browser. Click on the customer. Go to that page. Try to click on the register. Slowly it's performing operation guys. See, click on register. Enter all details. Observe guys, executed successfully. Now I got green color message. If you observe left side in log section, are you able to see the message? Verify, register, completed successfully. Even in the top, you can see what are the steps are passed. Register, okay. First name, okay. Last name, okay. That means in this test case, what are the steps executed? So everything is passed. Understand my point up to here? Yes. Guys, today just I showed one sample one. What is IDE? How it will be work? Once if you record test case, in future, any number of times be able to execute. In future, any number of times be able to execute. I hope you understood guys up to here. Clear this? Fine. Now I'll ask questions guys. I'll stop to share my screen. Everyone, I'll stop to share my screen. I'll stop to share my screen. Just I'll ask questions. Give me a reply in chat box. Everyone, my first question. Out of 4 components, which one is most powerful component in Selenium IDE? I mean, in Selenium. In Selenium, Out of 4, which one is powerful component? Yes, very good. Yes, WebDriver. Next question. Not grid. Kamal. Not grid, Kamal. WebDriver. Next. Sorry. Next. What is the purpose of IDE? What is purpose of IDE? Recording and playback. Yes. Yashwant. What is Yashwant? I'm not asking what is IDE. My question is, I'm not asking full form of IDE. My question is, what is the purpose of IDE? Yes, recording and playback. Very good. Next question. Next question. IDE, is it any tool or plugin? IDE, is it any tool or plugin? Yes. Exactly, plugin. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Tomorrow we can record and playback more. We can perform recording and playback more examples, and I'll show you. Okay. Today, just I showed that very sample one. And guys, demo classes only for 3 days.